Hi and welcome. So today I'm going to try to make an Italian ciabatta bread. I'm going to make them in a regular oven and then in a wood-fired pizza oven. So let's see how it goes. For the ciabatta bread we're going to use 430 grams of tipo 00 all-purpose flour, 350 grams of water, 3 grams of dry yeast and 8 grams of salt. We're going to activate the yeast with the water and the yeast and approximately a cup of flour. Mix it together. And let it rest for 30 minutes. Now that the yeast has been activated, it's time to put in the flour. Mix it well together and then add the salt. When it's mixed together and uniform like this, we need to set it aside for approximately 30 minutes, and then we are going to fold the dough. Put a damp cloth over it and let it rest for 30 minutes. So when the dough has rested for 30 minutes, it's time to fold over the dough the first time. So you're going to dip your hands in water, otherwise it will stick to your fingers. Stretch it up, fold it over, turn it 90 degrees. Do it again. Like this, and then let it rest for 15 minutes, and then we need to fold it over once again. 15 minutes has passed and we are going to fold the dough for the second time, and already we can see that it's beginning to be more elastic. And we will let it rest again for 15 minutes. So when the dough has rested for approximately an hour and you have folded it 4 times, then we need to, no, too much flour. Then we need to turn it out under the table with some flour. And now we're going to stretch it out. And fold it one last time. Cut it into 2 pieces. This will be your final ciabatta bread. Now we need to transform it. Now we need to transfer it onto baking paper. And while we are preheating the oven for 250, we will let it rest for an additional 15 minutes. And then we're going to let it rest with a damp cloth over it. When the ciabatta has rested, then it's time to put it into the oven. If you are so lucky to have a pizza oven, as I am, then why not try to make it in the pizza oven? And here we are. Italian ciabatta bread, one made in a regular oven and the other made in a wood-fired pizza oven. So let's taste it. And here we are, nice, delicious ciabatta bread. So let's have a taste.
Yes.
Wow.
Good.
That's perfect. Until next time, have a good one. Bye.
Bye.